everyone, and welcome to the Quest video tutorial. My name is Alejandro, and I'm the head of communications at Paladin Protocol. Today we're going to go over Quest, or more importantly Warden, which could be seen as the mother dapp of Quest, and we're going to do a quick recap via the tooltip. For those who know Warden, you'll know that it started in January 2022. Look at the tooltip. What is Warden? Warden is a non-custodial marketplace for VCRV holders. Holders can sell their V-Boost for curve LPs to buy and optimize their yields. They can also earn rewards for their gauge weight by joining the quest. Important thing to know about Warden is that the V tokens are generally non-transferable. A cool thing to know about it is we can never take custody of your tokens. But with Warden, you can sell the rights to your utilities. In the case of VCRV, that's right to V-Boost and gauge weight votes. Two different streams of revenue and two different parts of the dapp. Today's focus will be about earning rewards for your gauge weight vote through Quest. We'll have a separate tutorial for buying and selling boosts. Next, we will connect our wallet. You can use MetaMask, Ledger, or any other available. The app handles it all. We'll then review our dashboard. The first thing you'll see in the top right is the AUM, or the Assets Under Management. If you have registered your VCRV to the Boost Marketplace and you're selling V-Boost through Warden, you'll see your balance under the AUM. Other than that, you'll see your CRV and CRV balances. The focus today is gauge weights. You'll only see your weights displayed here in the dashboard if you're participating in the quest. Your other weights aren't displayed at the moment. Now, let's navigate to the quest page. You'll see on the gauge quest page there are 3 cards. One is active quests, the other is total rewards, and the other is a period where it shows the quest ending in a certain number of days. These of course will vary as new quests are added and removed, and so will the rewards, and of course the period ending in days. The curve gauge voting cycle is weekly, so you can see how many days are left in the period. However, keep in mind your voting weight has a cooldown of 10 days. Current quests. As you can see in the dashboard here, there are 3 current active quests. There's FPAL-ETH, T-ETH, and FAL-ETH. Each correspond to each DAO that created the original quest. The available share tells you how much of the quest has been completed. If it's 0, then there's no more rewards available to voters. When you capture rewards, you secure a spot in the quest that entitles you the rewards unless you vote for another gauge quest. APR. You will see from the highlighted pro tip that the APR is the same for all voters because the rewards per CRV are fixed by the quest creator. The percentage will fluctuate only because of changes in token price. Now let's take a look at the expanded quest page. On the page you will see the rewards card. This card gives you an overview of the quest rewards and what's available. If you hover over My Share of Rewards, you'll see exactly how many tokens you're going to earn. Quest details. You can see what the quest creator's target slice of the curve gauge is and the exact amount of VCRV that they wanted. The gauge weight section. UI will tell you if you're participating in the quest. You can also see how much of your vote is available. To see how much of your vote is being used, check through the curve UI. Voting for the teth quest. Navigate back to the main dashboard and click on More where it says teth under Gauge Quests. Once on that page, you'll see that the available share in this case will show the amount of rewards that I in particular can earn from the quest. Underneath the quest details section, I can see how much CRV the quest creator wanted. Alright, let's get ready to vote and earn rewards by clicking on the vote button on the right side of the page. Return to the teth quest page. Refresh the page and confirm that you're participating in the quest. You can see that I'm now voting for the teth quest in the gauge vote section. Navigate back to the dashboard. Scroll up to the left. There's also the My Quest page. Great, you're finished with the voting process. The claim page. You only need to vote once in the quest. Your gauge votes stick to a gauge until you remove them. That means for any quest that's longer than 1 period, you'll continue to earn rewards for the total duration after voting the first time. The quest rewards will show up under the quest card. In this case, I would be earning PAL and T rewards, which would be claimable at the end of the current period. I can claim these rewards every week after each period, or let them accrue and claim them all at once later. And that is it. Happy questing. Stay tuned for another tutorial on Warden boosting.